Hey, my name is Graham. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own gesture, allowing you to expand upon the existing asset. In this gesture, we're going over how to create a number gesture, so you have to have the right number of fingers extended for the gesture to be detected. All gestures derive off of gesture base, which calls the functions you set up in the inspector, making it easier and cleaner to work with. It also has a virtual function called detected, which is checked periodically and has to be overwritten. I wrote my own interface for handling info from the leaf controller. The interface is accessed through the detectionmanager.get, which is a singleton and can be called from any script. In this example, we are using it to get the number of fingers extended and comparing it with the gesture requirements. Don't forget to check out the asset and my Facebook page, which will have updates on this and upcoming assets. Links will be in the description down below. Thanks for watching.